So this is about the Russian foreign policy by Tyler Svanfelder for Mr. Cruz in his class of world problems. So the Russian past. President of Russia was Boris Yeltsin from 1991 till 1999. In 1992, he met with the US wanting to end communism and rebuild the relationship with the United States that was lost during the Cold War. The US and Yeltsin. The president during the time that Yeltsin was in was Bill Clinton. His presidency was from 1993 to 2001. He had supported Yeltsin's plan to end communism. He had helped Yeltsin in trying to bring democracy into Russia, since they were looking for a new government since communism has ended. The United States fought to keep Yeltsin in the office. They had many people over there. The United States had lost 150 people during trying to help keep Yeltsin in office. The United States was so focused on this because Yeltsin was their only hope to avoid a communist backlash. Vladimir Putin. He became president in 2000 of Russia. Days of being in office, Putin had to give his word to protect and not harm his own people. This is coming in first couple of days. There's an event that took place of an attack of harmless Russians in an apartment building. In the first years of Putin, he caused war for territories. The first one was the Second Chechen War, which lasted from 10 years from 1999 to 2009. Right before that war ended, there was a week-long war against Georgia in August 2008. And then lastly, and I'm pretty sure a decent amount of people know about this, the war against Ukraine in 2014. Of Vladimir Putin in the 2010s. In 2010, Viktor Yanukovych, the Ukraine president, the first main thing that he did was join the NATO. While Putin, since Ukraine was so close to Russia, wanted him to join the EU. In 2013, Yanukovych was given a deal with Russia, or the European, also known as the West. So he took the deal with the European Union, which gave him $15 million and 13% off gas, and this led to many riots in Ukraine. If you want to take more power, I thought this would do that. Before the 2016 election, 2009, Secretary of State met with the Minister Sergei Lavrov. Their whole meeting was focused on wanting to rebuild the relationship between the United States and Russia. During Obama's president's run, he put a lot of his effort in trying to find peace with Russia. Putin and the United States. In 2016 president election, Russians hacked the Democratic National conference, which gained information a month, leading to leaking phone calls of Secretary of State Victory Nuland. This led to Trump wanting to build a political relationship with Putin, knowing his power. And later, in 2016, Putin had hacked into the Clinton's administration's emails and put those out during the 2016 election, leading to many people voting for Trump after that.